Hello, and welcome to FTx Academy. My name is Michael, your Lifeline technician. In this video, I'm going to show you how to void items during a sale on your POS. To start, you'll log into the POS as normal, and then from the POS home screen, tap Open POS in the top right. Once you have the POS open and you have your product scanned, on the POS screen, if you happen to scan one too many items, on the right side in the receipt, all you need to do is swipe the product and then tap the red circle minus button. We can now see in the receipt line that there is a line for voided item. You can expand on that to see which item was voided and tap on it again to close that expansion. For more information, visit goftx.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more training videos.